So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can purchase discounted cruise gift cards if you are a member of AARP. Now, the first thing you want to do is, of course, join AARP. It's pretty cheap, anywhere around from $12 to $15 annually, depending on if you can catch a promotion. Once you sign up, you'll get your login credentials. Then you'll log into the AARP website. Now, unfortunately, their website does have a lot of stuff on it. I find it very confusing to navigate. So if you are a retired person or senior citizen, I feel you because I don't know who designed their website because even younger folks like me struggle with navigating it. So much so that people have asked me to make a video to show them exactly how to get the discounted cruise gift cards through AARP. So I'm going to show you just how to do that. So again, the first thing you're going to want to do is, of course, join AARP. I'll actually drop my referral link down in the comments if you haven't joined yet. I get like a month free if you join, which is great because that helps support my content, which I do produce and provide for free. Once you've created your AARP login, you've joined, you've paid your annual membership dues, you've logged in the site, where you want to go on their website is you want to navigate up to AARP Rewards. This is going to pull up the rewards page. Now, I've purchased discounted cruise gift cards on here before, which is why you see it has populated for me a total savings. And then on this page, you'll find all the information you need about discounted gift cards through AARP. And the really cool thing is they also offer discounts on other gift cards. As you see here, there's Barnes & Noble, there's Kohl's, there's Walgreens, Nordstrom. It's not just cruises. And you can expand this to see all rewards. But if you're watching this video, you're probably interested in the cruise stuff. So I'm going to show you how you can easily find that. And you can easily see which cruise lines do offer gift cards because they're kind of mixed in here with all of the others. So again, just taking it one step back to make sure everyone's following, log into AARP. Click on AARP Rewards. It will show you this page. And then what I encourage you to do, if you want to filter out all the other gift cards and take a look just at the cruise stuff, would be to scroll down to all rewards and you can actually filter by category. So there's even a travel category on here. So you can sort by travel, but that's going to pull up some non-cruise stuff as well. So what I usually do is I just pop in the word cruise and then I do a search and this will populate the cruise discount cards for you. So as you can see, Celebrity has a $100 gift card for $90 or a $500 gift card for $450. Now, recently they made some changes to Carnival and some people are quite upset about it. Carnival, not that long ago, was $90 and $450. So the price has gone up, but you're still getting an 8% savings, which can add up. As you can see here, they also have Holland America line and they have Royal Caribbean. So this is how you can narrow it down by the cruise line to see what options you have. Now, say for example, I want to purchase this Celebrity Cruises gift card here. That's $90 for a $100 gift card. I'll very simply click on the product and that will show the terms and conditions. So as you can see here, cruise gift cards are considered a premium item. So there are limitations of how many you can buy. So if you plan on spending a lot, don't buy a bunch of $100 gift cards, buy those $500 gift cards instead. So on the page, you will see all the specific terms and conditions. So it's really important to review that and then make sure that this is what you want. The terms and conditions are fine with you. They even verify this is a gift card for Celebrity Cruises. Is this the cruise line you intend to purchase a gift card for today? So yes, I want to purchase a Celebrity gift card. I'm going to confirm it, then click add to cart, exit out of this. And they don't have the best shopping platform. I'm not a big fan, but once you exit out, you'll click view cart. If there's anything else that you want, just add it to your cart, then view cart. Confirm this is what you want, proceed to checkout, and then just enter in your payment information. Now, I'm not going to enter in my payment information since I am not selling Celebrity anytime in the near future, so I don't have a need for a Celebrity gift card. But I did just recently buy a bunch of other cruise line gift cards, and I will tell you that the process was pretty simple. Once you submit your payment, you'll pretty quickly, usually within 5 to 10 minutes, get an email with a digital e-card that you just purchased. You can then use that online to buy things in advance. I used it to pay for Wi-Fi on a Carnival cruise, or you can also use it for your onboard expenses. Now, what I typically do is I will buy gift cards prior to my cruise so I can buy things like Wi-Fi in advance. Because as you probably know, when you cruise, when you buy things in advance, it's cheaper than buying it on board in a lot of cases, like with Wi-Fi. Then if I incur expenses on my cruise, which I almost usually do, usually thanks to the casino, then while I am on the cruise, I'll actually use my cell phone To go on the AARP website, follow the same exact process and buy enough gift cards to cover what my charges are. Then I just take that e-gift card number to guest services, hand it over to them, they enter that in, and then that is applied to my stateroom account. So honestly, the hardest part here is navigating AARP's clunky website, but once you figure out how to do it, you've done it a couple times, it's usually pretty easy. But the hardest part of that is figuring out where to find the gift cards in the first place. So I hope you found this helpful.